Hey guys, welcome back. This is Kevin here, and today I have brought some news about the upcoming Galaxy S20 series. First of all, the official render images of Galaxy S20 has been leaked. The new Galaxy S20 has 2.5D glass design. It seems on the right side there is the power button and volume button, quad camera for Galaxy S20 Ultra, and triple camera for Galaxy S20 and S20 Plus. Lastly, it is confirmed that the Galaxy S20 Ultra model will offer 10x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom. The space zoom branding is also visible in the module. Clearly, Samsung is taking on the Pixel 4 series in the astrophotography arena. We have learned that the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G as well as Galaxy S20 and S20 Plus will come in 3 color options at the time of launch. These colors are Cosmic Gray, Cosmic Black, and Cloud Blue. The next news is about the Quick Share software from Samsung. Over the years, Samsung has built out a software suite on top of Android that brings a lot to the table beyond Google's own offerings. Now we are learning that the Galaxy S20 will apparently see the arrival of Samsung Quick Share, a clone of Apple's AirDrop. Those of you who doesn't know about the AirDrop from Apple, is a feature of Apple's iOS and macOS that has proved to be incredibly useful. It allows for quick and easy sharing of files between devices over Wi-Fi connection. Google is preparing its own copy of this feature called Nearby Sharing for the Google Pixel. Max Weinbach, responsible for quite a few other Galaxy S20 related leaks of late, found evidence of this new quick share feature and says it will apparently arrive on Galaxy S20. Here you go, that's it for today's news about the new upcoming Galaxy S20 series. Let me know your thoughts on the comments. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.